and small town service. If there's anything we can do for you while you're here, be sure to give us a holler. Welcome to the Monstropolis Transit Authority Terminal, the hub for transportation to the greater Monstropolis area. Regularly scheduled trains and buses depart hourly. For more immediate transportation, Monstropolis City cab service is available at any time. Please proceed to the taxi boarding area located just ahead. Thank you. Human child in their ideal monster, a process called skill dynamics. The screens that result are then refined to please and helping to make Monstropolis a wonderful place to live, work, and You may be surprised to discover that many of your favorite products come with a made Monstropolis label. Some of these include smudge odor, smelling, harmful, and abrasive. There are 7 unnatural flavors. Attention to stick ball, stick powder, and butterfree coffee. When you want something hot to chew, reach Rose Caprino. It's time to pass this clock, and be sure to supervise your food posture. Thank you. Attention visitors! For your safety while motoring through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi. And be sure to supervise your children. Thank you. Hello! If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Smoothie Boo!
Oh, goodly bear!
When this human child told me when it's televised control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me, giant.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky, save
Mike Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you heard about me!
Come on, this way.
Run out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. I have information on the girl. Situation is, Niner.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scaffolding.
You done that, boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
We're almost there. They'll never find her door now.
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Oh, no. Slam it!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress that's reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area. Nothing to worry about, Chloe. This game or keep your remedy. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress as reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down.
Another camera. Good thing I had my hair undone. Young lady in the second row. Make sure you get